GSMA's support is a powerful example of global expertise enabling local impact. And again, this is a group effort, this is a group activity, and hence it is important to appreciate all the people who are a part of it. Now, I'd like to call on stage His Excellency, Mr. Hatem, President and Group CEO, PTCL and Ufone 4G for his remarks. As you know, Mr. Hatem has been leading PTCL's group's vision of using technology with purpose to connect, empower and uplift communities across Pakistan. Under his leadership, the group continues to drive meaningful innovations that truly put people at the heart of progress. Let's give Mr. Hatem a big hand.
Thank you very much. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Worthy ambassadors, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is really a privilege for me to be here today on this occasion that marks both innovation and inclusion. On behalf of PTCL Group, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Connect Here on the launch of the world's ever AI-powered early warning system for the deaf community. This is really a remarkable milestone. Not only demonstrate Pakistan's capacity and capability to innovate, but also shows how technology can be used to create a more equitable and resilient society. I would like also to acknowledge and thank the GSMA for their invaluable support in bringing this project to life. Their contribution is a strong reminder that when global expertise and local vision converge, the result can be truly transformative. For us at PTCL Group, this initiative is much more than a project. It represents our philosophy. We have always believed that connectivity must go beyond connectivity services. It must create social value by enabling dignity, safety, and opportunity for all communities. Our support for Connect Here journey is therefore a natural extension for our commitment to use our nationwide infrastructure and expertise for the greater good. And I want to assure you that this support will continue as part of our long-term agenda for inclusive growth. The deaf community is among the most resilient segment of our society. Despite facing barriers of access and deep-rooted stigmatization, they have consistently shown remarkable perseverance. Yet, their marginalization cannot and should not be ignored. Empowering this community is not about assistance or charity. It is about ensuring dignified integration of providing the tools they need to look their full potential. This is where technology plays a decisive role. Digital innovation is the greatest enabler. It bridges gaps, overcomes limitations, and level playing fields. But no organization can achieve this alone. It requires collaboration across industries. The partnership between Connect Here and PTCL Group stands as a powerful example of what is possible when social vision and digital infrastructure comes together. By combining Connect Here pioneering accessibility solution with Ufone extensive 4G nationwide reach, we have created a system that ensures deaf individuals receive life-saving alerts in their own language and free of charge. On this National Resilience Day, PTCL Group remains firmly aligned with the government of Pakistan vision for inclusive disaster preparedness. We will continue to leverage our technology, our network, and our expertise to ensure that no one is left behind, especially at the time of crisis. This is not a new role for us. Over the years, as a group, we have stood by the people of Pakistan in moments of hardship, during flood, during earthquakes, and any other national emergencies. We have always considered our duty, and indeed our privilege, to support the people who place their trust in us. In closing, I would acknowledge that the launch of this early warning system is more than a technological achievement. It is rather a statement of values and principles. It reflects what is possible when passion meets purpose, when innovation meets compassion, and when partnership are built, they'll say. PTCL Group is proud to be part of this journey, and we remain committed to building a safer, more inclusive, and digital empowered Pakistan. At the end, I would like you to share with me and start, I think, from today, calling the people, the deaf people community, and the blind people, and people that born with disability. We should not put them under the category of disabled or disability. I think we should call them people with determination. I think this is where all starts for inclusivity, from changing the culture and putting them in a category where they deserve to be inclusive within the whole nation. Thank you very much, and hope that you enjoy the rest of the day.